Are you a talented musician looking to earn money from your music? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll show you how you can make money by uploading your music on DistroKid. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what DistroKid is. DistroKid is a popular music distribution service that allows independent musicians like you to get their music on major streaming platforms such as Spotify, Apple Music, and more. Once you've signed up for a DistroKid account and logged in, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly dashboard. This is where the magic happens. To upload your music, simply click on the Upload button and select the tracks you want to release. DistroKid supports a wide range of audio formats, so you can upload your music in the format that works best for you. After uploading your music, it's time to provide the necessary metadata. Metadata includes important information about your tracks, such as the title, artist name, album name, and genre. Make sure to fill in these details accurately, as they play a crucial role in helping your music reach the right audience. Next, let's talk about the release options. DistroKid offers various options to customize your music release. You can choose the release date, select which stores and streaming platforms you want your music to be available on, and even set up pre-orders if you'd like. Take your time to explore these options and tailor them to your preferences. Now comes the exciting part: royalties and earnings. DistroKid provides a transparent and efficient system for tracking your earnings. For each stream or download of your music, you'll receive royalties. The amount of royalties you earn depends on various factors, such as the streaming platform and the country where your music is being streamed. DistroKid collects these royalties on your behalf and makes sure you get paid. When it comes to receiving your earnings, DistroKid offers several payment options. You can choose to receive your money via PayPal, direct deposit, or even have it sent to a bank account. DistroKid handles all the financial aspects, so you can focus on what you do best: making music. But wait, there's more. DistroKid also provides additional features to help you promote your music and enhance your overall music career. They offer tools like Hyperfollow, which creates a personalized landing page for your music, and YouTube Content ID, which protects your music on YouTube and helps you monetize it. So there you have it. Uploading your music on DistroKid not only allows you to reach a global audience, but also provides you with the opportunity to earn money from your talent. Don't wait any longer. Sign up for DistroKid, start uploading your music, and take your music career to new heights. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And as always, keep creating and keep chasing your dreams. Good luck.